After spending a whole day with them, I realized the entire reason that I'm here is to make sure that Hugo and Rain get to day 100. So today, we're doing a friendship test. The first test is a 60-second stare into each other's souls.
Oh my God.
Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Success! Yay! This is the final question. Rain, why do you want to win for Hugo?
This is such a crazy opportunity for him, and he's the biggest fan of Mr. Beast. He's gotta win.